Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust a ringtone volume on VIVO Y27. To adjust the ringtone volume, click on one of the volume buttons, then click on More by clicking on that button that you just saw. Let me show you that again, this one, and find the volume bar for the bell, which is the ringtone. And you can adjust it like that. It can be either here or here, so it depends on your phone configuration. So you need to just see the bell icon. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.